Hello guys, so today guys we have another sneaker guys. So today's sneaker. And today's sneaker guys is from ADIDAS. Ayan, it's a white box guys. So lagi tayong naka-Nike Jordan. Ito, this time we have the ADIDAS guys. Since I think long time already that we don't have an ADIDAS pair. So today's guys, ayan, we have the nakalagay ito, it's written AZX series. A to ZX series. This is from ADIDAS guys. So again guys, let's check unbox our new pair, which is the SuperEarth. Yan. Or ang ADIDAS ZX8000 SuperEarth from collaboration with WETHERSPOON. Tama ba pag-pronounce? Hindi ako sure. So WETHERSPOON. So again guys, let's check unbox and check the design about this sneaker guys. So and materials that they use on this sneaker. So again, without further ado, let's unbox. And before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography gears, videography gears, and my personal sneakers. So eto nga guys, unbox na natin. And guys, before anything else, before we unbox the pair, a big thanks and shout out to Tyrone Estrada, or the legit on hand. So I got this pair guys to Tyrone Estrada. Pops, maraming salamat sa ating pair. And I think they have also a YouTube channel. So ayan, lagay ko sa description. Check here in the side, this YouTube channel. Or if you want to cop a pair for high pair or daily pair or whatever pair naman dyan, you can DM o message Tyrone Estrada or the legit on hand. At syempre ang ating tropa na si Rendal, Pops Rendal Joseph, i-PM nyo rin guys regarding sneakers. But again, Pops, Tyrone Estrada, maraming salamat sa ating pair, which is ito na siya guys, ang collab with WETHERSPOON, which is the ADIDAS ZX8000 SuperEarth. So ito na guys, walang ano dito, all white box. Yan, there is printed here. It's very visible. Hindi siya visible, sorry, visible. And parang ano lang, white din yung ink niya, kaya hindi mo siyang papansin, which is ADIDAS already there. At here, ANZX. Yan. Meron yan dito guys, hindi lang ata. Eto, unbox na natin. Yan guys. So, di ba? Panalo. So, makulay guys, di ba? So, ayan, unbox natin syempre, on foot na natin to guys. Personal pair natin to. So, ito siya. And the second pair. And of course, you have your anong material to. It's a different material na lace. Oh, kulit ng lace niya guys. So, check natin yung material nito guys. Then, ayun, siyempre nandito yung cardboard, which is nakalagay dito, the SuperEarth. Ayan. So, nakalagay dito guys, it's indicate na kung ano yung mga material na ginamit for different parts. Yan, tapos yung kanyang, syempre, ito bang meron dito? Yung papel, which is with the earth, na may drawing na earth and ADIDAS. At yan, ang cool ng inside niya guys. Ito yung pinaka-inside ng box, diba? May mga drawing din, pattern, something. So, yan, kilala natin si WETHERSPOON, collab with the Nike, which is the Air Max. I think it's Air Max, yes. The Air Max. First, you have a collaboration. Ang ganda ng pair guys. That's why, ano na siya ngayon, medyo it's already expensive. And collaboration with Nike and WETHERSPOON. The first collaboration, maganda yung pagkakalabas nun is yung dinesign niya sa Nike, which is the Air Max. So today guys, yes, this is the second collaboration pair with WETHERSPOON and Adidas. The first one is the Superstar. Now guys, this is the ZX8000 series. Yan. So, ito guys ang ating pair. So, ayan, check na natin guys. First, ayan, makikita niyo dito guys ang iconic na SuperEarth. Ito si SuperEarth eh. Ayan o. Yun, diba? Si SuperEarth. Kita ba SuperEarth? Hindi. Yan. And the material guys. Ito, babasahin natin guys. Here. Ayan, yung mga material na ginamit nila dito. So, number 1, the upper material, organic canvas, recycled polyester. So, the upper, it's, ito, side na to, yan, it's organic canvas, recycled polyester. So, yan. Second, number 2, is the certified paper laces, FC. Ano yan? FC, certified paper laces. Ito, certified paper laces. Papel pala to siya guys. Parang gusto kong ano, parang gusto ko ikabit, pero sayang eh, madali siyang sigurado eh. Natin siya, pero may ano pa rito, diba? Pero mas okay na sa akin tong green, parang nahihinayang ako na eh, masira kagad. Next is the number 3, it's the 100% recycled polyester. So, what meaning by polyester guys? Ano ba yung polyester? Polymer, parang similar with polymer o polyurethane. Yun, polyurethane. This is a vegan leather guys. This is a vegan leather is often made from polyurethane. Parang ganon. So polyester o polyurethane lining. 100% recycle. All the parts guys is recycled by polyurethane. Polyester. Sorry. It can be also be made from innovative and sustainable materials such as pineapple leaves, corks, apple peels, or other fruit waste. Yun. Yun ang ibig sabihin niya talaga guys. So, basahin natin dito guys. And number 4, the heel cage. We use leftovers threads under the translucent heel cage. So, this is the heel cage guys. So, ayun nga, may mapapansin nyo dito, parang may mga thread pa siya ng, ano, yung mga threads nga, na, ano, basta yun, nakaano pa siya rito guys, oh. It's a visible talaga, yung mga nylon yung threads na dito. Yan. Then, at course, number 5 is the outsole used natural rubber foam, rubber trees, and in 10% waste rubber content. So, ito nga guys, itong outsole na to. Ayan. Papansin nyo guys. Itong the outsole. Nahulog si SuperEarth. SuperEarth nahulog. Yung number 5, the outsole use the natural rubber from rubber trees and 10% waste rubber content. So, ayos guys, talagang lahat talaga to. Ano talaga eh. Diba? Recycled. So, number 6 guys is vegan. So, this is called vegan. All materials used in this product, including glues and colors, are free from animal ingredients. So, yun talaga sinusulong ni WETHERSPOON, which is ang vegan. So, ayun nga, yung sinasabag niyang vegan leather is often made by polyester o polyurethane. Yan. Yun ang ibig sabihin guys. So again, the ADIDAS ZX8000 WETHERSPOON SuperEarth is a college of different upcycled textiles. Yan. Each with its own distinct look and texture. The upper is composed with a mix of flannel, denim, and canvas, while brown and red canvases cover the bump side of panels. Brown and red. Parang ito. Brown and red. Yan. Brown and red. So, yeah. Brown and red guys. Ito cover up the bump sides. ADIDAS. So, this is the ADIDAS guys. So, ito yung cover niya, which is the red and the brown. Yan. And the heel on the side panel. So, yan. Ito siya nga guys. Ito. The heel on the side panels. Then, canvas 3 stripes branding overlaps white and neon green flowered embroidery. Yan. So, ito yung strap guys. Ito yung 3 strap. Yan. Nakaano siya sa flower na naka-embroidery. Ito. Diba? So, ayan. So, I think that this is a great collection of sneakers. So masarap. I tried to on foot this guys, and it's very comfy on the feet. So maganda siya guys. Magandang irak talaga to. So but I think thing that I don't like is this ayun, sumobrang mga andito tela. So I think I will cut this. So I think guys, that's it for today. And again, this is our pair for today, the SuperEarth, sorry, the ADIDAS ZX8000 collaboration with WETHERSPOON. So ayan, ibiro na natin guys, and let's try to on foot. So ayan, this pair. So tara, on foot natin in 1, 2, and that's it for today guys. So again, our pair for today is the ADIDAS ZX8000 with SuperEarth. Si SuperEarth, kawawa. And guys, so I think di siya masyado napansin na pair. Hindi kagaya ng Nike, which is yan, very popular now, the Nike Superstar, Nike Air Max na dinesign ni WETHERSPOON. So eto guys, pero ang angas siya guys. So it reminds me the Nike, yung gusto ko, alam nyo na yan, yung City Night Dunk, alam ni Pops Jess yun. Baka naman sinot niya eh. So ayan guys, dahil di natin makap yun, so sobrang mahal na yung price. So dito tayo sa again, maraming salamat kay Pops Tyrone sa ating pair for today. Check nyo guys, DM nyo kung gusto nyo ng mga sneakers, or check nyo yung legit on hand na page niya. So every time we have a post new sneakers, kung nandito ka sa Middle East, try nyo i-DM o check si Tyrone Estrada or the legit on hand. So yan guys, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is the Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all that with the members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating second cameraman na si Brian Puntanar. Check nyo yung channel niya, mag-upload na rin yan. Busy lang kami ngayon. So yun. At si Palaboy na kain, tataba din yan, tingnan nyo. Si Palaboy OFW at ang ating PVK 2.0. Yan. So narinig nyo itong kantan to. Yan, yung kantan yan galing kay Junwar Angel. Yan, anong grupo niya, sa lagay ko sa description. Pops, maraming salamat dito sa kantang to. Ang ganda ng kanta natin, PVK, diba? Filipino is the best. So ayan guys, thank you and mabuhay.
Vloggers, Filipino is the best, representing it kung walang iba sa Middle East. Nagsama-samang mga talang kabanata ng ideyang mahiwatig.
Ito man si Superstar, SuperEarth.
Mag-vlog at laging hawak aparato kahit saan man lumapag. Mga talento ay taglay na hindi pangkaraniwang Pinoy na manggagawa dito sa gitnang silang